katika jina la Yesu. Tunanena kibali.
Thutha wa kwigutha githuri thiku nini hituku akiuga ndaramakio ni igeria ria ambunge ria kumuhagura ta munini wa mutongoria wa bururi. Umuthi Rigathi Gachagua ni onanitie kuororo wa ngoro riu akihoya mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto amuohere angikorwo ni amuhitiirie na njira o yothe kana mutumia wake Pastor DORCAS Rigathi.
So my brother President William Ruto, if in our zeal to work I have wronged you, please find it in your heart to forgive me. If my spouse, in our duties for the boy child and our program, has wronged you in any way, find it in your heart to forgive her.
Oho ni oriti ambunge angikorwo manararakwo ni miario yake gwa itina ria miaka iri ria koretwo wabici-ini ona mamuohere kuona arageragia gukenia andu aria mamucagurire mari na President Ruto riria aragia ndeto cia shareholders no gutire mundu kana ruriri endaga ruthutukanio.
And probably you find that in appreciating our people and the support they give the President and I, probably our utterances made you feel uncomfortable. We did not mean bad. We were simply appreciating the people who voted for us.
Akiaria ri giikaro-ini giake guku Nairobi ndi igongona ria mwanya kurumirira gutamanio kwa mutaratara wa kumuhagura bunge-ini. Rigathi ni oriti arumiriri yake mathingate thayu riri bunge iratwarithia na mbere mihang'o ino gutekumakania uria itua ria muthia rigatuo. Ni athiete na mbere guthingata muingi makiria kuma gitaru kia Rift Valley matigetikire kugayukanio na mithingi ya giuteti kana kinduriri.
And the politics of the day should not in any way threaten our peace and our peaceful coexistence. Kenya is bigger than all of us. We have no other country other than this one.
Oni ahananitie moritu maria aragerera na nditiira President William Ruto agereire riria ari munini wa President akiuga riu thirikari irahuthira hinya wayo wothe na honge ciao ciothe kumukirira no Ngai ni ekumuhonokia.
I am very persuaded that God, the Almighty, that saw through President William Ruto in very difficult circumstances has gone nowhere. That God is still present and his might is not in question.
Na irita njira ya kuonania ni hariirie kuregana na kuhagurwo gwake nginyagia ndagika ya muthia. Rigathi augite ari na mwihoko na ruhonge rwa magoti ni ruguthingata watho uma na kihoto riu akiruria rutigetikire kuguoyohio kana guthogwo.
Appeal to our independent institutions to uphold the rule of law and remain true to the Constitution so that we don't get in situations where we can have a country that feels that the rule of the jungle is in application.
In the name of Jesus, together with their sons, Pete and Kevin, we declare